Hey everyone, in this quick video, we will be showing you two easy ways to clear cache on any of your Android device so that you can boost your speed, free up space, and fix any kind of lag instantly. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can go over to your settings application. For that, head over and tap on it and go ahead and access your settings app. From there, you can just scroll down and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you do so, you can choose the app that you want to clear the cache for. So you can go to any of the application available, for example, this, or even YouTube, Instagram, or any other application. Choose the application and you need to tap on storage and cache. Scroll down for that, and under usage, you will be finding storage option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can go ahead and hit the clear cache option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and the cache will be cleared. That will remove temporary files without deleting your data and even can make the app smoother. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go ahead and clear up the whole cache data if the clear cache, only clear cache does not work. So you can go over and go to your settings for that. And you can go over and go to storage or device care. The name may vary by brand. You can go to storage or device care section and tap on it. After you go ahead and tap on it, here you will be finding option for storage. You can tap on it and there you look out for the option to clear cache data or clean now option. You can just go over and look out for that option. Usually under memory also you can find it. And from there you can just go over and wipe all the temporary junk files from every application. That will give you extra storage and better performance. For that you can select this option for clean now and confirm it up. And you don't need to worry as it won't delete any photos or personal files. And that's it. So these are two ways that you can use in order to clear up your cache and speed up your Android. So do not forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more. And thank you for watching this video.